Finally got that baby cut down. It took me, wow, could have took 45 minutes to get all this stuff cut up. Limb up there, drop that off down to the ground. Then I was able to cut this stuff up with this nice Ryboi battery powered chainsaw. These things are great. They're light. You can climb up a tree with one with no problem. And it's good for cutting these small little limbs like this. Almost the size of a tree. And sweating. It's got to be in the 90s. But always wear your safety glasses whenever you're doing dangerous jobs like this. And your OSHA-approved flip-flops is a must-have. Because if one of these little baby limbs like this fell on your toes, whew, man, without these OSHA-approved flip-flops, you'd be hurting. So that's all for today. I'm gonna just go inside and get me some Pepsi, pick up my safety glasses here, and see you in the next video. Maybe I'll cut this tree down. That might take a day, probably. See you later.